Arrowhead of the National Park Service, Little Rock Central High School National Historic Site, Minnijean Brown Trickey. Everyone has a basic belief in humanity.
I had all these audiences in a few places in the world. And when they hear about the chili, the kids jump up and start screaming because it is about everybody's inherent resistance to stuff that's intolerable. Everybody has a basic sort of belief in their humanity and their right to be considered good and important and smart. And so it really does, and this is black, white, Asian, Hispanic, American, Indian, Canadian, Irish people, Irish kids, Catholics. So it is absolutely meaningful to them because, in fact, you are supposed to be good and you are supposed to be nonviolent, but you're also supposed to be human. Mm-hmm. And I think that's what kids respond to because they think, I've made some mistakes in my life. I've done some stuff I regret. And I can say to them, I regret that it happened. And they forgive me and it's okay, but they're kind of glad for me that it happened.
Mm-hmm. Screen transitions to once again show the logo of the National Park Service, Little Rock Central High School National Historic Site with accompanying social media handles.